Question number 13 is very similar to questions 11 and 12, but instead of the two angles being supplementary or complementary, these are vertical angles. So we're not going to add them up and set them equal to 90 or 180. Because they're vertical angles, we're actually going to set them equal to each other because they have to be equal. So it's a little bit different. Okay, so I need to get x onto one side. I'm going to subtract 10x, and we get 15 is equal to 2x minus 3. Then I want to add 3 to both sides. Then I want to divide both sides by 2. So we get x is equal to 9. Now again, when we find what x is equal to, that's not our answer because we still need to plug it back into the two expressions here. So 10 times 9 plus 15, and 12 times 9 minus 3. So for the first one we get 105 degrees, and for the second one we also get 105 degrees. So we actually knew that that was going to happen because they have to be equal. So if you plug in x into these two expressions and they equal different things, then something's gone wrong. So you should be able to check these. So on this question they had to be equal. On the previous question they had to add up to be 90 degrees, so 55 plus 35 is 90. And then on question 11 they had to add up to be 180, so 150 plus 30 is 180. So you should be able to check your work on these.